Hi friends, today I am going to unbox my second order from wish.com. So I have been using Wish after AliExpress banned in India. So in Wish I have ordered a lot of products and let's see on my order history. So I have ordered a lot of products and I just received two items, but it is receiving like within 2 months. So I have ordered this night vision glass. Actually it is very cheap, like 40 rupee plus shipping fee 73 rupees, so it will be around uh, 113 rupees. So it's actually very cheap, so I'm not expecting that much quality here, but I just want to try a wish from the first. So this is the product description and these are the images they have provided in the product description. So now the price is showing 39 and let's try to add to the cart. So it's added to the cart and showing 39 plus 73, which is 112 something. So this is the package I received from wish.com. So actually it got via India Post by the postman near to my home. So let's open it. So it also came from China, as in that tracking shows, but in this packet it is showing some other countries. It looks like it's broken. One leg is broken. Not sure we can fix this or it's a broken product. The quality is very bad. For anyway it's only 100 rupees, so cannot expect more from it. It's the cheapest glass from wish.com. Looks like we can fix it by using a screwdriver. You can see a hole there. So yeah, I have used one star screw. This will be perfect for this. Yeah, after tightening it's working good. I can use it. No, it's not a useless product now. The leg is fixed now, so it's something we can fix. So not bad for 100 rupees. So this is the view through the glass, and I have tried this use while driving. It's actually good for bright lights. When the other vehicles are coming with the bright lights, it is good. I have tried this one using a light also, so you can see the efficiency of the glass there. It's not that much good, but it's okay for 100 rupees. This is the view from light and with and without glass. I have ordered some other products also from wish.com, some small products. I will add the next videos after I will receive this. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.